Not comfortable. I had a problem. Ooh, big one. Like they're not using the blanket. Hug it. Chug it. Back in the car. They ain't using it. We should wash one to just keep it in the trunk. Okay. Yeah. You never know. What if we get stranded and we have to wait for the people in the AAA and the coast? And we can't start our car to get heat. We might need it. So we should just wash one and keep it in the trunk.
I used to do that.
We should do it.
8 years ago.
We should do it now. We have enough blankets in the house.
It was a brown one. It was a brown one. Light brown, dark brown, whitish, and it was like stripish.
Oh.
I used to keep it in the van, and it disappeared after meeting you.
I didn't do it.
Well, I'm just saying. At some point after meeting you, it disappeared.
Oh.
It did.
Okay.
It was kept in the gray van. It was kept in the compass. Before the compass disappeared, it disappeared.
I've never seen that.
Well, you were here for part of it, so you're the reason it disappeared in my eyes.
Okay.
Good time. Grand finale. All the goodies.
No, not yet. More willows. Ooh, crackling willows. That's cool. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. That was them big ones. Ooh. Nice. Some more big ones. Ooh, Lordy. This might be the winner.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Somebody threw a firecracker. Oof, big one. Oof. I like the delayed boom. Ooh. Ooh-wee. God bless America. Jesus. Now it's going. Holy shit. God bless America. Okay. God bless America. Somebody's got something.